how the this thing. So use you can use another different color entirely. The reason why I'm using white because I want to be using a line and bead, white bead on it. So depends what you want. Depends the color you want. Make sure it cover it like this. That's what I'm doing. And arrange it. Make sure that it come as well. Make sure that it has time. So I'm done with this side. As I'm going to use the gum to gum this side and use lining to turn it. So the same thing this side. I'm going to be using this gum like this. Remember what I'm using is shoemaker gum. And this shoemaker gum I'm using is very affordable. With 200 naira only can it will be okay for this work. Even 100 naira is okay for this particular work. It's not that expensive and easy to get. Go to shoemaker place and get it. Where they are making selling shoe something and turn it like this.